So today I'll be showing you how to connect an Ethernet cable to your OnePlus 15. Now obviously this phone does not have an RJ45 port, and so to be able to connect an Ethernet cable you do need an Ethernet to Type-C adapter like this one. Now if you're interested in this one, I'm going to link it down below, but there are obviously plenty of adapters that you can use out there that have this connection. So you plug in the Ethernet cable to the adapter, and then the adapter with the cable to the Type-C port of your OnePlus 15. Okay, now of course the other end of this Ethernet cable is connected to my router. Now just to test if this works, I'm going to turn off Wi-Fi and I'm going to turn off mobile data as well. Okay, so now the only thing I have is the cable, and you can see it still shows my network speed. That means I'm connected. But just to test it out even more, let's go ahead and load up YouTube, and you can see it loads and everything works. Okay,
Unlock your stay for life.
simple as that. Thanks for watching and good luck.